Hi everyone, this is the second video for Meta Gamma Delta. This video is just about pledging. So we're going to go through 3 concepts in this video, and hopefully prior to this you saw our introduction video, which provides context as to who we are, as well as where we're going to go in the future. In this video, let's going to go over some quick concepts. We're going to go through a checklist of the things you'll need to pledge, and then we're going to go through the actual process of pledging. So 3 quick concepts. The first is DAI. You will need 10 DAI in order to pledge MGD. DAI is a USD-backed stablecoin. The second thing you'll need to pledge is Matic. Matic is the token used by Polygon. Polygon is a layer 2 on top of Ethereum that has lower gas fees, as well as some other really great benefits. Those benefits are most of the reasons why we've decided to work on Polygon instead of any alternative. The third is DAO House. DAO House is a platform that allows us to get a dashboard view of not only all the proposals, but also all of our members by wallet address. It also utilizes Moloch v2 smart contracts. Those smart contracts are heavily audited, and so we have a little bit more trust in the fact that they cannot be hacked. So next, let's go into our checklist. I said we'll need 3 things, but prior to those 3 things, let's actually go through the pledging instructions themselves. You can find these pledging instructions once you get into the MGD Discord and then go to the Start Here channel. Read through that full blurb and you'll find these instructions. So let's scroll down. This is the top. The next thing we're going to do is ensure that our MetaMask actually has the right network. And then after that, we're going to find the 2 things that we mentioned on our checklist of the 3. One being Matic, the second being DAI. So let's go to MetaMask. So we're in MetaMask now, and as this instructions says, we're going to click down on our Ethereum mainnet wallet and switch to Matic mainnet. If you do not have this, if you've never traded anything on Polygon before, then you'll need to go to Add Network, and maybe you'll be taken to a separate page, or maybe there'll just be a pop-up on your existing MetaMask wallet. And you're going to enter in the exact instructions that are placed on the instructions video. So network name, new RPC, chain ID, symbol, and Blocker Explorer URL. Once you do that, you'll click Save, and this button will be blue once you've completed all the information. And then we'll be able to directly click on Matic mainnet. So we're going to do that now. Do the drop down and click on Matic. All right. Now, as I said before, we're going to go find the Matic and then find DAI. There's a few ways that you can do that. The first is finding DAI and Matic through a fiat on-ramp. And I'm just going to scroll down to the right instructions just so you know where we are in the instructions as well, if you're following along. One platform we can suggest is Ramp, where you can use whatever your local currency is. Maybe it's Great British Pound, maybe it's the Euro or the USD, and buy directly DAI, which you can see here. The other fiat on-ramp could be Coinbase. It doesn't really matter. The second option that you can do, if you already have some ETH, or maybe you have Bitcoin, BTC, you can just bridge whatever you currently have in your wallet to the Polygon ecosystem. And this platform, wallet.polygon.technology, is a great way of doing that. You would just connect your wallet here. You would get a pop-up from MetaMask, and then you'd be able to bridge through their platform. QuickSwap is another platform that allows you to bridge from one ecosystem to another. The third way that you can potentially get some Matic especially is through Matic.supply. So I'm going to do that here. Connect your MetaMask. Okay, so I just clicked connect my MetaMask wallet, clicked on MetaMask, and now you can see connect with MetaMask here, clicking next. confirmation, and it'll connect. And then you'll be able to utilize this faucet to get maybe 2 or 3 die. And you can see your balance at the bottom of the screen. So those are the 3 ways that you can potentially get access to both Matic as well as die. If you do run into any challenges here, and I know I did when I first pledged, please go to the support channel in the MGD Discord and just pose your question, and we'll try and do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Now on to part 3, which is walking through the process of actually pledging. Let's go on DAOhouse. So now we're on app.daohouse.club. So the first thing you'll need to do is connect your wallet. You can do it here or the top right. Again, the same pop-up, MetaMask. So I clicked on my MetaMask, and because I've been on DAOhouse before, they didn't ask me to confirm. But for you, you may have to go through the process of just clicking through your MetaMask and then clicking confirm. So now I'm on the DAOhouse hub, and what I can do now is go directly to the MGD page. So let's go back to the top. You can see all the proposals from MGD. So once you're in DAOhouse, you can see that my wallet is connected. I just went to the Explore, which is this magnifying glass, and you'll see a list of all the different DAOs that use Moloch v2 smart contracts as well. If you don't see MGD, you can just type in Metagamma Delta, and we are this one. So we'll go to this page, and you can see it here. The easiest way that I've found to go to the proposals, and my screen may look a little bit different than yours, but that's fine. As long as you see Metagamma Delta at the top, is you can go to proposals, which is this little book, and then click new proposal. Remember, one thing that messed me up at the very beginning was that I did not change my network to the Matic network. And if you're not on the Matic network, then you potentially won't be able to see this new proposal. So you click on new proposal. I'm going to go down here to the classics, membership proposal, which is what you'd like to do. And then you fill out all of these things specific to you. So going back to the rush instructions. So we're in the rush instructions again, and we're scrolling down until we get to this page, which is 2 from the end. This gives you insight into how to complete the instructions, put your handle, description, a little about you with a link, and then the 10 shares of DAI that you requested. One thing to note is that if you are unable to get DAI for some reason, we already provided you a faucet for how to get Matic. But if for some reason you're unable to get DAI, please also ping the support channel and we'll be able to sponsor proposals. So that's it. Once you've completed your proposal, you should see it in the list of all the proposals. I'm gonna go back to this page. And now we're done. Please feel free to reach out to the support channel, which is a public channel in the MGD Discord, if you have any questions, and the onboarding committee will be able to support you. Hopefully this was helpful. Thanks.